The linesman, also known as the assistant referee, is responsible for monitoring the offside line and signaling to the referee when a player is in an offside position. If the linesman sees a player in an offside position, they will raise their flag to indicate this to the referee. The referee will then decide whether to blow their whistle and award a free kick to the opposing team. The referee will only award a free kick if the player in the offside position is involved in active play. This means that they interfere with an opponent, attempt to play the ball, or prevent an opponent from playing the ball. If the player in the offside position is not involved in active play, the referee will let play continue. Offside is one of the most misunderstood rules in football. It's a rule that can be difficult to understand, even for experienced players and fans. What is offside? A player is in an offside position if they are closer to the opponent's goal line than the ball and the second-last opponent. A player is not offside if they are in their own half of the field, on the same line as the ball, or behind the ball. When is offside penalized? A player is penalized for being in an offside position if they are involved in active play. This means that they interfere with an opponent, attempt to play the ball, or prevent an opponent from playing the ball. Why is offside important? The offside rule is designed to prevent attacking players from simply standing in front of the opponent's goal and waiting for the ball to be passed to them. It encourages teams to play more attacking football and create scoring chances. Here is an example of an offside situation. The red player in the image is in an offside position because they are closer to the opponent's goal line than the ball and the second-last opponent. If the ball is passed to the red player, they will be penalized for offside. Here is another example of an offside situation. The red player in the image is in an offside position because they are closer to the opponent's goal line than the ball and the second-last opponent. Even though the red player is not touching the ball, they are still penalized for offside because they are involved in active play by interfering with the defender's ability to play the ball. The offside rule can be a difficult rule to understand, but it's an important part of the game of football.